In this quick video, I'll show you how to calculate sums in Excel. I've set up some sample data that can be used to demonstrate how to do the sum calculations. This table shows sales commissions earned by salespeople per quarter. I'll demonstrate two of the easiest ways to calculate sums in Excel. For the first, I'll start with the Q1 column and start with equals sum plus opening bracket, and then I'll drag from cell C4 to C8, enter the closing bracket, and click Enter. For the second, we'll go to the Q2 column, and I'll use the Auto Sum feature. On my version of Excel, it's located on the right-hand side of the Home ribbon. To start, highlight the cell where you want to show a sum. In this case, it would be cell D9, and then click the Auto Sum button. Notice how it automatically completes the formula for you. All you have to do is simply click Enter and you're done. It also works on the rows. We'll highlight cell G4 and then click the Auto Sum button, and Excel figures out what cells you'd like to total up. Well, that's it for this video on how to calculate sums in Excel. I hope it was helpful to you. If you find my videos informative, please give this video a thumbs up. If you like learning more about Excel, please consider subscribing and clicking the notification icon to be notified when I release new videos. Thanks again and have an excellent day.